In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to create an employee in Gusto. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up Gusto like you usually would. Then from here you need to log into your account. From here you need to go over to the menu where it says people. And then from here you should look at something like this. Here you will have an active onboarding, offboarding, dismissed, and collaborators over here. Then from here to create a new employee, you simply need to go up to add team member. From here it should be looking something like this. And here you'll need to add the first name of the specific team member or employee. You can add the middle number, the last name, or the preferred name over here. Then from here you'll need to select a worker type. And here you can either choose employee, a contractor, which is individual, a contractor for business, and an unpaid team member, such as an intern. Then from here you need to select where the team member lives. And for this tutorial I'm just going to choose United States. And you need to add in a personal email. Down here you can also add a hiring option and send an offer email directly to this email over here. You can also set up a background check if you want to do that. But for this tutorial, I'm just going to click save and continue. From here, you need to tell us about Tobias's role or the employee's role. From here, you need to tell us about the employee's role. And here you can add where the employee will work. And here you can select work from home. You can select the workforce address, or you can select another address if you want to do that. Down here you can add a work state. Since you work from home, tell us which state you work from. And here you can change to all of these different states in United States. You can add a job title, and you can create a new one if you don't already have one. For this tutorial, I'm just going to choose this one right here. You can add a department, or you can create a new department right here if you want to do that. You can add in a manager, and you can add the start date of the employee. Then from here you just need to click save and continue. From here you need to share Tobias's compensation details, which is salary. Here you need to add employee type, where you can add salary no overtime, salary eligible for overtime, paid by the hour, commission only, or commission only eligible for overtime. And here you need to add in the amount. Let's just give him $1 per hour or week or a month or a yearly basis. Down here you can also add a special tax exempt status, where I can add either one of these ones down here. Then from here you just simply need to click save and continue. And here you can see all of Tobias's information. And when you're done, you simply need to click save and continue for next task. Now from here you need to invite Tobias to Gusto. And you can either invite Tobias to self-board if you want to do that, or you can add and onboard them for you. And if you click here, you will get all this information again that you will need to fill out, or Tobias needs to fill out, like recovery email, phone number, street address, etc, etc, etc. That's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comments below. I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!